thank you to the whole Evision team, and special thanks to Nandini ma'am, Sati ma'am, Anamika ma'am, and all the faculties who helped me a lot during this period. My name is Abhisek Pradhan. Basically, I am from Koraput, Odisha. I have done my BTech in Triple E from UPT University. I have around 4 years of experience in finance, and I have always interest in IT sector. So I heard about this Evision team for the full-time job internship, and I had joined this internship. And during this internship, I learned about CCNA, networking, Windows administration, troubleshooting on OS, Windows, Outlook, software and hardware, and also as well as cybersecurity. I've done my course, and along with that, they took my mock interview. And recently, I have placed in TVS Electronic with a package of 3 LPA. So also, I will suggest to those who are looking for a job change in IT sector. So what are you waiting for? Those who want to make a career in IT. So please join a vision. So and please grab the opportunity. Thank you.